Inspire Kids Montessori's excellent pre-primary programs are designed to develop your toddler's cognitive, language, gross motor, and fine motor skills.
He was actually behind in vocabulary when he started. He hasn't even been here for a full month, and he's already caught up to where he needs to be.
Practical life activities allow your child to develop their sense of order, as well as focus and independence, while they refine their small motor skills.
The staff is great. They give updates on what they had for lunch, how well they slept, if there was any cool thing that happened, and they share a bunch of photos, so it's really, really nice.
Our pre-primary students enjoy music and movements and storytelling.
They're always learning something new, and they're so happy to come home and share that with us.
Our well-qualified, experienced, and Care Montessori certified teachers have deep respect for each child's development.
I love the staff here. Everyone has little stories about my daughter every day, something funny that she did or something that they just can't believe she would say. They really pay attention to what she's up to.
See for yourself the difference an early childhood education at Inspire Kids Montessori can do for your child. To schedule a tour, please visit inspirekidsmontessori.com or call 480-659-9402. We look forward to caring for your child.